In this video, we're going to explore how to access align various parts in ZebraCut. So I have here a hexagon, and you can see the hexagon is a little bit skew-whiffed. It's a little bit rotated. In order to get really good nests and to make sure cutting is as efficient as possible, we want to make sure that this rectangle is lined up with the X or the Y axis inside Rhino. To do that, I'm going to use the Rhino tool for rotation. So I'm going to go to the command line and I'm going to type in rotate, press return. It'll ask me what I want to rotate. I'm going to select my rectangle. I'm going to press enter to confirm my selection. The center of rotation, I'm going to pick this corner here. That'll be one of the sides that I want to access align. And then it's going to say the first reference point. I'm going to select the other end of that straight line, and then as you'll see it's asking for a second point, which is going to be the second point of rotation, and I can move it around. Now if I hold down the shift key, it will snap to 90 degrees. So if I hold down shift, I can then align this to the x-axis, click again, and you see my part is now aligned correctly to the x-axis. That'll make it much easier to nest and much more efficient to cut. So there we go, just a quick trip with ZebraCut. Thank you.